Welcome dear viewers. Today we are going to do lesson 6 of the color and alphabet series. You can see that I have already put the letters that we learned in our previous lessons. Then these are the color names that we have covered. Now we are going to learn two more color names today. Okay, the first one is going to be orange. Hey. Orange. So the Bangla for orange is Komola. Komola, okay? So that means I need Ko for K, right? For this K, I need the Ko sound. This is the Ko sound, okay? So I will write Ko. Then I need Mo. Do you know how Mo looks like? Well, those of you who watched the supplementary lesson 1, you know how Mo looks like. But those of you who are doing only the color and alphabet series, you probably don't know it yet. So this is how Mo looks like, okay? So I'm going to copy it here. So this is Mo, and then I need Law. We already learned Law. We have used it several times. So this is Law. Now this is Komol, but we need to make it Komola. So we need this A vowel sign. Where is our A vowel sign? This is our A vowel sign. We already know it. So, yeah, we'll just add this up here. So this is Komola. Some people say that this is Komla. Okay, instead of saying Komola, they say this is Komla. And you should know that both are acceptable in Bangla dictionary. So, usually in these types of words where you can see 3 consonant, the middle one, the middle consonant, it is pronounced with the O ending. So, mo, komola. It should be like that. But for some words, we do not use the O ending, we omit the O ending and we say komla instead. And for this particular word, both are acceptable in dictionary. And I usually pronounce it like this, komla, not komola. But you have the freedom to choose whatever you want. Okay, so both are acceptable in our dictionary. Now the next color name, is going to be purple. Purple. Bangla for purple is beguni. Beguni, okay? So, you probably guessed what I am going to do. I am going to choose Ba for B. So, yeah, I have this Ba. Then I will need what? Ga. Yeah, this is my Ga. And then I will need No, right? So now it looks like bogon, but I need to make it beguni. So I will have to use this vowel. So to make it be, I'll just choose this. So yeah, and then the u to make it gu. Okay, begu. Now this is ni. Okay, how to do it? This e. Okay, beguni, right? Okay. Now there is one more information here, that is for this particular letter, when U adds up with Ga, they change their look when they are united. So how they look like? They look like this. Let me write it again. Like this, okay? So actually, this means this, okay? This is it. So you might ask that why? Why is this change and why is it so complicated? Well, in every language, you will see some kinds of irregularities, some kind of like exceptions, right? So yeah, let's see what happens in English. In English, if you write S, this is the capital S. How to make it small? You just change the size, right? Okay. For O, this is the capital O, this is the small o. Now what about R? This is capital R and this is small r. So it just changes its look when it becomes small, right? Same with N. This is capital N, this is small n, right? So yeah, there are some kinds of exceptions, there are some kinds of changes, and that's probably the beauty of a language, these types of irregularities. You can say that it makes the language complicated, but it makes the language unique as well, right? So for the first few lessons, you probably get confused. You will get confused, but yeah, try not to get confused and try to memorize this for the first few lessons. And trust me, we have fewer exceptions, fewer irregularities in Bangla if we compare it with any other languages. Okay, so don't panic. You will get used to it. And before I say goodbye to you today, let me remind you again to subscribe to my channel. And let me revise what we have learned today. This is the new letter we have learned. This is mo. And we learned two more colors. One is orange, another is purple. The Bangla for orange is komla or komola. Bangla for purple is beguni. Okay. And we also learned how go with the u sound changes the look. Okay. So these are the things we learned today. Bye for today.